In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from HoneyBook to your bank account. If you're using HoneyBook as your go-to platform for managing client payments and projects, you're probably wondering how to easily transfer those funds into your bank account. Well, I'm here to make that process as simple as possible for you. First, let's navigate to the finance section of your HoneyBook account. Once you're logged in, look for the tab labeled Finance and then click on Payments. This is where you'll find all the details about the transactions that have been processed through your HoneyBook account. It's a handy place to keep track of all the financial interactions you have with your clients. When a client pays an invoice via credit card or bank transfer, the funds do not immediately appear in your bank account. Instead, they are initially held in your HoneyBook account. This holding period is standard as the funds are processed. HoneyBook ensures that all transactions are secure and that the payment process is smooth. This period allows for verification and processing, which is crucial for the security of both you and your clients. Now, you might be wondering, when will these funds be available in my bank account? Once the processing period is complete, HoneyBook takes care of the rest. It automatically initiates a transfer of the available balance to your linked bank account. This feature is particularly beneficial because it saves you the hassle of manually transferring funds every time a payment is processed. You can rest easy knowing that HoneyBook is doing the heavy lifting for you. It's essential to ensure that your bank account is properly linked to your HoneyBook account. Double check your account settings to confirm that your banking details are accurate and up to date. This step is crucial because any discrepancies could delay the transfer process. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, head over to your account settings in HoneyBook and follow the prompts to do so. It's a straightforward process, but it's key to ensuring your funds are transferred smoothly. One of the great things about HoneyBook's automatic transfer system is its efficiency. Once set up, you don't have to think about it again. The funds appear in your bank account after the processing period without any additional input from you. This automation allows you to focus more on your projects and less on administrative tasks. If you ever need to check on the status of a specific payment or transfer, just revisit the finance section under Payments. All the information you need, including transaction histories and pending transfers, can be found there. It's a great way to stay informed about your financial inflows and outflows without needing to dig through paperwork or complicated software. To wrap up, transferring money from HoneyBook to your bank account is not only straightforward but also seamlessly integrated into HoneyBook's platform. By ensuring your bank account is linked and keeping an eye on your settings, you can trust that your funds will be transferred automatically and securely. So sit back, relax, and let HoneyBook handle the rest. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your payment processes.